Yes, ma'am.
Some small part. Okay, what is saying? I don't know. Then some small part. Look, this is a circle and this is the perimeter. We have already got the perimeter is 2 pi r. Yes, so
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay, that means
Yes,
this,
ma'am.
where this one is r. Yes, so each of this length is r unit. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
r. Yes, so
Radius.
radius. Now just look at this. This one is the circle. If we cut from the upper one and we break into a small part, look, we are just cutting it here, okay? Then if we open it in the both side, look at this. It will be in this way, yes or no? Yes, so suppose from a watermelon, if you cut a part and you are just opening it, it will be in this way, yes or no? Now the remaining part will be only this one. The upper part already we have cut and we have taken outside of the circle. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Is it clear? Again I am explaining. Just look. This one was the circle. We have cut it a little bit, a small part, okay? In this way. Understood? And we have just taken out it. Then it will be in this way. Yes, so. And the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
remaining part is this one. Yes, so only this one is the remaining part. Understood, so? Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
because the upper part already we have cut that part. Now from this
Yes.
remaining part also we are cutting a small part, okay? And we are just taking it out. Then there will be another small line, yes or no, in this way. Again we are cutting this. Just look at this. Again it will form this. Yes, so again we are cutting this.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood or not? In this way it will form.
Yes, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to which parts we will cut this? Still, it is not coming at a point. We will continue this process. Understood? Acha, please mute, huh? All of you just mute yourself. Acha, now just look, we have to continue this process in this way, yes or no? In this way, until we have got this smaller one, this point. We have to do this process. That means, look, we will cut total the radius, which part we are going to cut, that is total the radius, yes or no? Yes, so just say this is the radius. Now look, in this way if we cut, it will form a triangle, yes or no? It will make a triangle.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so now what will be the area of this triangle? Half into base means this one. Acha, this one is the base though. Look.
Yes.
Now this one means what? The first one, the first part which we have cut, this is the first part. So in the lower we have taken this first cut out part. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means this first part, that means the boundary is the lower one, the base. The base is the ultimately the boundary of the circle. Yes or no? Look,
Yes,
again I
ma'am.
am just clearing. Again I am doing. We are cutting in this way too. In this way we are cutting. Yes, so.
Yes, ma'am.
Now just look
Yes, ma'am.
and we are making it in this way. Yes, first one, second one, third one in this way. Yes, so it will form a triangle. Look at this.
Yes, ma'am.
Now look,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the height of this triangle? Definitely this height. Yes or no? Yes, so because look, we are
Yes.
cutting from this and removing it off now. Then if we
Yes.
cut and put in a straight line form, then definitely this size will come over there because the upper one already came here too. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
ultimately look, and the base will be what? The boundary of the circle, because we have cut it from here and we have put the base, the boundary over here, the first part. Then the next part when we cut, next part above of this base, above of this, in this way we are putting. So ultimately this total boundary is its base? Yes or no?
Yes.
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 So total area of this circle is equal to area of this triangle. Yes or no? Because we have
Yes,
cut
ma'am.
the circle and we have made this triangle. Yes or no? Yes, Tom. So what will be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
area of this triangle? Half into base into height. Base means what?
Mhm.
Already the boundary of the circle, that is 2 pi r. Yes, Tom.
Yes.
So half into 2 pi r. That is the base. Into height. Height means this one. Just look, I am marking it by
R.
R. Yes, good. R is the height. So into R. Now look, what will be the area of this? This 2 will be cancelled out. It will be pi R
Pi R
into R,
square. Yes,
pi
ma'am.
R square. Pi R square. Now clear to how the formula came?
Yes. Yes,
All of
ma'am.
you? Acha, no need
Yes,
to
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
remember the process. No need to remember even this process. This formula deduction will not come in the exam. Okay. Just I am explaining it so that
How
you
the
can remember
formula
the
has changed.
formula. Exactly. So that you can remember the formula in an easy way. Suppose you forget, then you can definitely deduct it. Understood? So that's why. No need to even just remember the formula pi r square. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just write area of a circle. Just write the formula. Okay, yesterday you
Pi
have
R
written the
square.
formula of circumference. No, you have written. If you have not written, then
Yes,
today
ma'am.
also write. Okay, pi r square. अच्छा square unit, huh? Square unit or unit square. So now just look where r is the radius. Yes, so
Hmm.
and pi means already you know the value of pi. अच्छा
22 by
always
7.
don't take 22 by
3.14.
7. Okay, exactly. In this
3.14.
case, try to take 3.142 or 3.14. Okay, up to 2 significance. No need to take this 2. Okay, acha 3.14. Now I'll move for the question. Okay, for the solution. This one, these two formula, all of you understood too. But you have to just
Yes, ma'am.
remember this, not the deduction of the formula. Acha, now just let me move for the question.
Exercise.
Open the exercise. What did you just tell me the page number? Tell all the other students the page
Page
number.
142.
Acha, all of you open 142 page number. Huh? Look, this one. Acha, if it is little bit hazy in the screen, then all of you have the book. So look at the book also. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. This is hazy.
Okay. Acha, now the first one. Look. Find the, it is given. Find the area and circumference of each of the
Of the
following.
following. Ma'am,
Right?
do from large. The first are easy. These are
Exactly.
easy.
Exactly. You were right. Okay. I am doing the F and E work. Okay. Look.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, if all of you are able to see it, even you have the
Yes,
Yes,
book.
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Acha, those who are talking at home, just I request you to mute. Huh? Because it is very much disturbing for the others also and for me also. Okay. Acha, now just look. This one, the radius is given, right? It is 2 by
Yes, ma'am.
2 by pi.
2 by 5.
2 by pi it is given. Okay, just no need to think about which portion is given, which is not. Okay, just we'll follow the formula, the rule. We know if we know the radius, then what will be circumference? Just 2 pi r. Yes, 2 pi r. Yes or no? It
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
circumference formula by using the formula. Okay, that means in place of r, just we'll put this one, which is given in the question. Understood? So now how to solve? Look, just I am writing directly. Huh? Achha, before that, just you will write. At first, draw the figure. All of you, just draw the figure in your copy.
Ma'am, we can, it will be the, ma'am, 7 by 11 if we cut it.
Yes, 7 by 11. I told you not to take 22 by 7. Try to take 3.14. Okay. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha, just write 2 by 5. 2 by pi. Acha, you are going to say that we will put the value of pi 22 by 7. It will cut. Yes, Tom?
Yes.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
just look, we are not going to put the value of pi. Why? Because look, circumference, the formula is 2 pi r. Yes or no? 2 pi into r. R means what? 2 by pi. If we put it, then look, this pi and pi will be cancelled out. Na? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So this calculation will be more easy.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So no need to
Yes.
make it. Okay, no need to make it complex. Look, it will be very much simple if we just directly put this value. Look, this pi will be cancelled out. It will be just 2 2s are 4. Understood? And the unit is given meter, right? Meter. Understood? So all of you just do this. Have you done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, don't write CIR. Just write the full word, circumference. I am just writing CIR. Okay. You have to write the full word, circumference. Done to up to this?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now just ADM. All of you are doing? Yes or no? I don't know even I am
Yes,
audible to you properly or not. Now area. Area is equal to what? Pi r
2
square?
pi r.
No, not 2 pi r square. 2 pi r is circumference.
Pi
In
r
case of
square. Pi r
pi
square.
r square.
Pi r.
Pi r square. Pi into r means what? 2 by pi. Yes or no? Whole square of this. The unit will be meter square. Yes. So,
Yes, ma'am.
now just look here. Look at this very carefully. Huh? 2 by pi, that is whole square, means there will be 2, 2 and 2 pi. Yes or no? Suppose x whole square means what? X into x 2.
Yes, ma'am.
X by 2 whole square. That means what? X into x by 2 into 2. Yes or no? Yes,
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to follow the look. Pi will be as it is. Here 2 square. 2 square means 2 into 2. That is 4. I am just writing 4. Okay. 2 square by here it will be pi into pi. Yes or no? That is pi square. Yes, Tom. So look,
Yes, ma'am.
1 pi will be cancelled out. Only 1 pi will be cancelled out. Understood or not? Is the calculation clear to
Yes,
all of
ma'am.
you?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood? Tom?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, this one is equal to, that is 4 by pi meter square.
Ma'am, I can't understand.
This one, acha, wait. Again, I am explaining. Just look. It is given, radius is given 2 by pi. We are finding area. Just look at this. That is pi r square. R means what? We are putting the value directly, huh? 2 by pi. Acha, r square, so area means pi r square.
Square. Yes, ma'am.
Or here it will be square. Yes or no? I am not putting the unit. At first, I am just making you understand. Look. Acha, pi, this pi will remain as it is into 2 square.
20.
2 square means what? Upper
4.
one numerator 4. And in the lower one, pi square. Pi square means pi into pi. Yes or no?
Into pi.
Now it is
Yes.
clear.
Yes,
Pi
ma'am.
into pi. Now look. 1 pi will be cancelled out. Because
Yes,
in the
yes.
numerator 1 pi. Yes, so it will be
Yes,
4
ma'am.
by pi. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
so now just put the value of pi. 3.1.
4 into 7 by
decimal.
22.
As I told you to put, because at the end of the solution, again you have to convert it into decimal. So In the first line, just put the decimal value, no? 4 by 3.14. Or you can write 22 by 7, then again multiplication, no problem. Okay. Now look, it will be
12.56.
okay. Done for all of you. What is the answer?
Someone
Yes,
is talking.
yes, I told so many times. Those who are talking, just mute yourself. Acha, if we want to remove this decimal, then there will be 20. It will be 400 by 3 and 14. You can do this process, or you can just take 4 by 22 into 7. This one also, okay? That is 28 by
22.
okay. This one also. Now just find out the answer. Just convert it to decimal. I am not going to say the answer. You can do
12.56.
no, it is not correct. Check the calculation, okay? How it is 12.56? Because it is 20. Look at this. If we do 28 by 22, just look at this. If we cut it, it will be 14 by 11. So normally
No, ma'am, I
just
have done
divide.
that. I have done that 4 into 3.14.
Okay, that also. If we come to that part, 400 by 314, this one. So just apply your common sense. It is 400. If we divide it, then it will be 1 by 1, 314. Okay? Yes or no? Then it will be
Yes, ma'am.
86. Now we have to take the point of why 1.25 probably. You told me 12.56, but it will be 1 point something, na? Because we have to take the point and we have to put a 0. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
I need to explain how to divide this type of sum.
No,
Already
ma'am.
from class 5 we were doing. Now just look at the answer. I'm showing you the answer. Acha, look. It is coming probably 1.27. Acha, I will upload all the solutions, okay? But right now, do it yourself. Huh? Danto, just let me complete number E, okay? Due to network issue, probably today only 2 sums will be done. Now I'll do number E. Acha, A, B, C, D. I think you can do it yourself at home. But if you face any problem, then tomorrow you will say me. I'll explain again each of the sum. Huh? Now I'm moving for number E. I'll move.
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, what is number E? Just look at this. This one is given. Na? No need to look at the answer. Huh? Just look at the question. Even you can see it from your book also. Look, it is given. The circle is given in this way, where the radius is given. Achha, the diameter is given √2, right? Diameter is given √2. If the diameter is given, diameter means what? D or 2R, 2R or D, that is given √2. Look, what will be its radius? Half of diameter. Yes, so
Yes, ma'am.
radius, that is equal to half of diameter √2 by 2. Yes or no? No need to do the calculation. Just keep it as it is. Okay. Put the unit also. It is meter probably or kilometer given. Na? Put kilometer. Understood to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Achha, now just look. Divided by 2. No need to. You can't cut these 2 and these 2. Okay. Because it is √2. Understood? So,
Yes.
okay. So basically it will be just at first right. Diameter. All of you start to solve. Diameter is equal to √2 kilometer. Okay. So radius, just denote it by R, is equal to √2 by 2. Okay. Done. So up to this done, all of you? All of you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now look, we have to find the circumference. Circumference. That is equal to 2 pi r. Yes or no? R means directly we are putting this value, huh? Root 2 by 2. Yes. Acha, now in the last class, I told you what is the value of root 2 by using that long division method, square root of 2. That is
Yeah.
1.414. 1.414. Okay, you have to remember it. Understood? So, and also root 3 also you will remember 1.732. These two value you have to remember, huh? And I explained to how this one came. Now just look, 2 pi r. These two will be cancelled out. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now pi means what? 3.14 into root 2 means 1.414. Just take two significant 4.1. Okay. Now just do the calculation. Multiply it. This one is clear. The concept, the how it came, it is clear. So now you have to do the multiplication yourself. I have to show it. But do not use the calculator. Do not use calculator.
4, 7.
Acha, you will do it yourself and you will check the answer whether this one is this or not. 4.443.
5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11.
432.74.
432.74.
74.
Ma'am, 4.4274.
4.43.
Yes, ma'am. 4.423.
Exactly.
Ma'am, it is coming 4.4274.
This one, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, always just write the answer in
And
two
main answer
significant
will
figures.
be 4.42 kilometer.
Acha, 4.2. Look, this one, if we round off, yes, this one is 7 greater than 5, so 4.3. Understood? So,
That's what you.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now,
Yes.
what will be its
Yes.
area? Area means pi r square. Just write over there area. That is equal to pi into r square. Here it will be very much easy. How? Just look. This square, so root 2 by, don't put root 2 is equal to 1.418. Just look at this. Here, do not put the value of root 2. Square root of 2, don't put the value. Look, here, there is one magic. What? Pi into, acha, root 2 square means what? Square means 2 times, suppose I told you, x square. That means x into x, yes or no? Yes, so?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
so?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
look,
ma'am.
root 2 square means we can easily write root 2 into root 2, yes or no? Yes, so?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
And in the denominator, 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4.
4.
Yes, so? Now just
Yes.
look.
Yes,
Root 2
ma'am.
into root 2 means it will be
4
just 2
root 4.
root 4. That means root 4 means
Yes,
look,
ma'am.
2 into 2. 2, if 2 under this root, then it will come out from the root and it will be only 1
2
to the
only. 2 only.
split 2. Now it is clear. That's
Only
why I
Yes,
two.
told
ma'am.
not to put the value of root 2. Understood? So it will be basically, so it will be 5 into root 2 into root 2 by 4. Yes?
Ma'am, it will
But
coming 11 by 6.
2 by exactly. Now just convert it into decimal. Acha, at first just cut it. It will be half.
11 by 7.
Yes, 11 by 7. Just now convert it into decimal. Okay. Just convert. Acha, the unit will be kilometer square. Okay, so convert it into decimal and just tell me the answer. All of you done this too? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Today only 11 students are there, not 10 students. Acha, now just look. I am showing you the answer also. Just check it whether this one is coming or not.
8, 9, 10.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This one
Yes,
coming?
ma'am. 1.57.
Acha,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
I am not showing you the calculation, okay? The decimal calculation.
7, 49. Yes, ma'am.
Acha, now C and D will. What is in question D?
Half.
Half,
0.5.
right? So it will be definitely, look, perimeter is what? 2. I am just showing you, you can do it yourself.
R.
2 pi r. Look, this half and this half, 2 will be cancelled out. Only the answer will be pi.
Yes.
That is
5.
3.14.
3.14.
Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now area. Area means pi into r square. That
Square.
is 1 by 2 whole square.
Ma'am, one half plus half is equal to 1 only.
Half is no. Half square means 1. How? Double
No,
of
half square
half.
is not 1. Oh, no, no, half.
Double of half is 1. Double of half. Here the diameter is 1. You can say that. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
But we need the radius square, not the diameter. In the formula of area,
0.25.
okay, you have done 0.5. That's square. Okay, okay. Now look, pi means 3.14 into 0.25,
25.
right? Now just you
Yes.
can easily find out. Acha, A, B, C, you can
Answer
do
will
in
be
home, right?
0.785.
Acha, in the home you
Answer
can
will
do
be
ABC.
0.785 centimeters square. Yes, ma'am. I have done.
Okay. Acha, now look. Wait a minute. This area, this shaded portion, and don't worry, all the solution will also uploaded in the website. If you want to check the answer is correct or not, then you can check. Okay. Okay, this one I'll start tomorrow. All these figures.
Okay,
Basically,
ma'am.
these are important for the exam also. Okay. So I'll solve this
Okay,
one
ma'am.
tomorrow. And if there is any doubt related to this perimeter sum, okay, then tomorrow you will ask me,
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, now just let me take the attendance today, then